Hi, this is Dr. Farley. What I want to go over today is the 5 different arms or branches of the immune system so that you can understand how we get proper immune function and improper immune function. And 95% of all diseases are epigenetic, and the number one epigenetic problem is sustained inflammation, which means the immune system is not functioning optimally, and over a time frame that creates many diseases, and it drives everyone's health in the wrong direction. So there's basically the mucosal immune system. The first thing you have to understand about your immune system is we must go to the barriers. The barriers are your skin, your gut, your lung, your ear, nose, and throat, and then also the blood-brain barrier, okay? So that's how things get inside of us, okay, from either a germ point of view, or if we have leaks in the gut called intestinal barrier permeability, then foods can get in, and that can be a chronic immune stressor and create chronic sustained inflammation in the body, and also break into the brain and create chronic sustained neuroinflammation. So that's the first thing to understand, is the mucosal. Okay. The next thing to understand is the innate immunity. Okay. Innate immunity means that you're born with this, and there's a certain group of cells that as soon as you come out, they're ready to go. They're innate. You know, God gave you this, and these cells are killers. They know what to do, and they can go and get things under control, and they can kill different germs and pathogens. And then there's the T cells, okay, which is part of the lymphocytes. And then there's also your B cells, which is the antibodies. So in this day and age, a lot of people are all concerned about the antibodies. Do you have antibodies? And what we want to know is this, is that antibodies make up 20% of your immune system, okay? So if you're trying to get full immune ability, you want to look at the entire thing, not just the small 20% arm, which is the antibody arm, which is part of the B cells, which is part of the lymphocyte process. The next one we have to look at is the T cells also have Navy SEAL killers, okay? They're called cytotoxic T cells and natural killer cells. Those cells kill things directly. They also kill cancer cells and get rid of bad cells. So they're a major part of our immune defense. And no one talks about that. Everyone wants to talk about the antibody. Antibodies do nothing. They do not kill. They just tag either the pathogen, or let's just call it a virus that may go inside the cell. They tag the cell, and then your Navy SEALs come along and kill it, okay? So more important than the antibody is also the rest of the 80% of the immune system that no one talks about. And then we have this complementary system. The complementary system is a bunch of different chemicals that are released by cells. Many of them are called cytokines, immunokines, and this is getting the entire orchestra of the immune system to have a proper planned attack to get things under control. Again, whether that's a virus, a bacteria, a parasite, a fungus, or a cancer cell. So we have 5 branches of the immune system. It's very important that we're looking at all of these different branches. And the branches, again, are mucosal, innate, T cells, antibody, and your complement system. Okay, so when we're trying to look at chronic health problems, which is many times driven by chronic sustained inflammation, we have to address this. If we're talking about proper immune function to outside germs and bacteria, we have to address all of this. We cannot be talking about 20% of the immune system only. We must look at the entire thing. We cannot separate this out. This idea that we're going to do just this is really ridiculous. Everything is dependent upon everything. So these 5 arms all work together in a concerted effort to give you proper immune function, proper immune tone, and ability to stay healthy from outside pathogens from now until the day that you're dead. There is no pathogen that the intelligence of the system cannot manage as long as it's functioning properly. And the key to health is to restore proper function, address the allostatic epigenetic stressors specific for each individual person, and then allow that person's the power that made the body to heal the body function at a higher level, and then we can allow the system to restore a higher level of function and many times restore health to levels that you've never seen before. So thank you. I hope you found this interesting, and if any questions, as always, please give the office a ring. Thank you.